Yeah, Carter, you're just over him. Pete, just stay tight on it. Carter, you just go over his. Like jerk it a little bit, Carter. There you go. See if you're over or under. There you go, Carter. Go. All right. And then Pete, just walk back a little bit. Carter, try to help get some of that seaweed off his line there, see? Keep reeling, Pete, a little bit. Yeah, try to get some of that off there. There you go, Pete. There you go. Keep reeling, Pete. Keep reeling. Pull left, pull left, pull left. There you go. There you go. Keep walking back, keep walking back. Yeah, you're good, Pete. Just keep walking back a little bit. Try to pull it towards John. Yeah, there you go. Nice snook, though. Right there. Just pull it left. There you go. Yeah, just get him like a bass there.
You got him?
Redfish? Bring him over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, just keep him on there, Petey.
Give me the net. About time he contributed.
There you go, Petey. Just keep him up there. Hold on, Carter. There you go. You're good. Just reel down, Pete. Pete, reel down one more. Just keep reeling, Pete. Whoa. Go easy, go easy.
There you go. There you go. About time you contributed, goddammit. It's your baby.
Oh, keep him on the butter. Keep him on the butter. Right, it's coming.
Got a net?
Yeah, I got you. Keep reeling, it's right there. Keep reeling.
Ah, dang! Look like a
Hold on, he's gonna pull again. Hold on.
Look like a carpet.
And John, just grab it around the tail.
God, I got the net right here.
No, it's too big for the net. He'll tire. He'll tire. Just keep easing it up. All right, hold on. Hold on, don't pull too much, John. Just scoop it. Yeah, there you go. There we go, boy.